Let's enter into the back bending series. Lay down on the floor. Danurasana. Catch the ankles. Feet together. Inhale, up. Lifting the thighs off the ground, lifting the chest. Looking up through the third eye. 1, 2. Each inhale take you a little bit higher. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down, don't let go. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down, 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Knees together, inhale, up, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down, back to Balasana. 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ustrasana, come up onto the knees. Go back, pushing forward with the hips, opening the chest. Catch the palms of the hands to the soles of the feet. Pushing forward with the hips, opening the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Exhale. Balasana. 3 breaths. 1, 3. Go into Laghuvajrasana. Exhale back. Raise the hips, hands on thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up. Exhale, Balasana. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up Vinyasa, exhale, chest wide, jump back, inhale, Urdhva Mukha, exhale, Ardha Mukha, inhale, jump forward, straight legs, sit down. Urdhva danurasana, lay down, take position, bring the feet up, hands to the floor. Inhale up, first lift onto the top of the head, exhale there. Inhale up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down, walk the hands inside a little. Inhale up, pushing down with the feet, pushing down with the hands, pushing up with the pelvis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down. Inhale up, pushing down with the feet, pushing up with the pelvis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down. Inhale, Chakrasana, straight into Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump forward, straight legs sit down. Pacimatanasana A. Inhale, fold forward, catch the big toes, strong legs. Uddiyana in, raising the chest, lead with the chest, open the elbows. Each exhale takes you a little bit further. Drishti is the tip of the toes. If you can't maintain the drishti, you're not getting the full benefits. The focus is very important. 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Inhale, up vinyasa. Exhale, chaturanga, jump back. Drop the knees if necessary. Go down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Lifting with the chest, lifting the sternum. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump forward. Straight legs, sit down.